Asan yung mic? Ibigay mo yung mic
Ayan.
mo, Sir Danny. Si Alan Kay talaga, oh.
Ayan, para daw kayo kay mami niya tong song na to.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin once again, Miss Jeannie!
Palakpakan naman natin.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. That worked my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. It's not so easy. Love will lead the way for us. You're guiding us through a path for you should lead. You don't have to change. Just so come with me and share the view. I help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna leave without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. You can. I'll never ask for more. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. My whole life's through, but nothing's gonna change my love. It's gonna change I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna
natin si Miss Jeannie.
Okay.
Ayan, isa pa daw.
Isa pa?
Isa pa daw.
For him. Oh, sound check. Hello. Alright, once again, palakpakan naman natin si Chini.
Jeannie.
Palakpak naman.
give you all his hours when he has the chance. Take you to every party 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. She's dancing with another
Yes! Ayan. Palakpakan. Baga, isa pa. Isa pa.
Ayan, once again, thank you so much, Ma'am Chini. Yes. Ayan, at request lang kayo ng request. Ada ka lupay mesa
Sige.
magkanta.
Ready na si ano? Okay, kantahan. Halika na. Wow!
Ayun, no?
Ang tatangkad naman tong mga batang to. Grabe. Okay. Di mo, tayo gayam ka anak ak besto. Anat ka. Ititong. Bigyan
Kalma
natin
lang.
siya ng mic.
Kalma.
There ain't no gold in this river that I've been washing my hands in forever. But there is hope in these waters, but I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence. Baby, let me in. Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me. There ain't no room for things to change when we are both so deeply stuck in our ways. You can't deny how hard I've tried to change who I was to put you both first, but now I give up. Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel
Joy.
Yes, ayan, isa pa raw, sir.
Kaanak kaknukwa. Lucena, ayan. Kumakanta si Nicole, oh. Vincent. Tita na.
Yes, again, magpalakpakan naman po tayo. Ayan, thank you so much. And for the second time around, The Voice.
Tell me something when the rain falls on my face. How do you pick leaving places? Yeah, when a golden summer smile. Tell me something. Tell me something when I'm feeling tired and afraid. How do you know just to say to make everything alright? I don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. You can thank your stars.
much, Nicole and friend. Nicole Labaro, ayan. Tita na. Ayan. Aegis Medley. Naku, mahal to. Sana magkabuena mano din tayo dito. Diyos ko. Okay. Requested by the celebrant ka, no? Ma'am Judith, dahil 50 yung edad niya ngayon, magbibigay daw ng $50. Ah! Charot. Oh, okay ba yun? Ayan, oo daw. Sige, try natin.
Ayan, and here's a special request.
Coming from the birthday celebrant.
Ma'am
Judith! Ayan, magsipalakpakan naman tayo dyan. Alright.
Suminhing damdamin kahit halik lang ang akin. Nababaliw ako sa'yo, bawat silak mo, puso ko sa isang sulok na lang umibig sa'yo. Nananaginip na gising, nakatulala sa hangin, nagsusuminhing damdamin kahit halik lang ang akin. Nababaliw ako sa'yo, bawat silak mo, puso ko sa isang sulok na lang umibig sa'yo. Sinta, umibig sa'yo. Sinta, umibig sa'yo. Bituin sa langit, ako'y namili
dito sa aking puso, ikaw ang nag-iisa, o aking mahal.
Akala ko ikaw ay aking, totoo sa aking paningin. Ngunit nang ikaw ay yakapin, naglalaho sa dilim. Ninais ko mapalapit sa'yo, ninais ko malaman mo ang mga paghihirap ko, balewala lang sa'yo. Hindi ko na kailangan, umalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin ko sa'yo ngayon ay naglaho na. At ito ang iyong
At sa kantang yan, nagbigay si Ma'am
Judith. Nang na kinakain
Ma'am
mo
Judith, siyempre, ng
1,000
pesos. At meron pang request si Mama
May request
Judy.
yata si tatay. Yes po.
Ano raw?
Nakakanta, sir?
Okay, eto muna yung request ni Ma'am.
Yes, sir. Pa-standby lang po, sir.
Ma'am Judith, na kusilapan ka. Okay. Okay. Special request. An Ilocano song. Oy, alam ni ni baby, yung kusilapan ka. Agpalakpak tayo man, Apo. Okay. Wala na bang mas malakas na palakpakan dyan? Okay. Thank you so much.
Ibagamit kan kay di anong pandat mo tuwag subli I get sorry tadya may kari napalalong amin di sakit na day di alda manaka sa di ka ba'y pulos kimita. Tuwing may ating naglabas, niruruwang ko tinagwayas sa parang nalipatan ka. Namin ano at nagparbalik na nga kumabi ako at subli ka. Hindi naglagda, ginit kita. Ito nagsarap na silang mga ipasulit ko mo'y matang ako mitagal ka. Sakto po'y pangatugin.
Thank you so much, Super.
Basta to parang balik na. Anabiyagak mo ka.
Ma'am Judith and Ma'am Chini. Ayan. Thank you so much for the compliments.
Ayan. At sino naman si tatay? Siya yung nagbigay ng...
Oo, siya rin nagbigay ng compliment. Ayun, maraming salamat po kay tatay.
Oh, ano pang request niyo po, tatay? Ano daw?
From USA.
Ay, shout out natin. Ayan, shout out natin si tatay. Ay, no. Nalobat tuloy yung live natin. Pero sa ating YouTube, mapapanood nyo bukas po to. Ayan. Paki-subscribe ang ating YouTube channel.
Yes, RNB, The Side Street Band. And of course, to our new Facebook page, RNB Band New Page.
Oo, ayan. May mga request pa ba dyan? Tatay? Lakasan mo naman. Pakilakas yung boses.
Your Man.
Your man. Oy! Sino ba yung medyo mababa ang
Mababa
boses
ang
dyan?
boses.
Ikaw, Nicole, baka kaya mo. Your man? Ay, when gamin, naubing ka pa eh.
Your...
Apo ni Danny po una yan. Ubing pa ni Nicole Danny.
Pedophile. Charot.
Oo. Kaya. Okay.
Kaya yun.
Yung your man. Okay, sige. Halika. Sige, kanta. Oh, Glessy, yung lyrics ng Your Man. Alam mo itong anak ni Vincent at saka ni Baby, ang gwapo. Oh, yun ako. Oh, hindi lalaking-lalaki to. Ano ka? Maraming ay, may girlfriend na. Ay.
Maraming girlfriends. Bawal yan, ha? Bata ka pa.
Hindi,
Ay, mesa lang ka, no?
magka-edad sila ni
Check.
Ay, okay.
Kung may boyfriend ka daw,
Siya yung nasa gitna. Tatlo silang magkakapatid.
Girlfriend.
Ang pupogi.
girlfriend
Puro
lang,
lalaki.
hindi boyfriend.
Anak lang pinsan ko to. Ikaw naman.
Emily.
Hindi.
Emerald. Wala.
Mga musician din to eh. Oo.
Test mic.
Yes, and magpalakpakan naman po tayong lahat.
Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite as strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. There's no worry, don't you worry. We can take our time. Come a little closer, Let's go over what I had in mind. Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low, and put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite as strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. Ain't nobody ever loved me the way that I love you. We're alone now, you don't know how long I've wanted to. Lock the door and turn the lights down low, and put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite as strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man.
Wow, talaga naman. Sana nagustuhan niyo po, sir.
Oo, nakita ko nga pumapalakpak.
Ayan, para kay Sir Jonas. Susunod naman si Sir Jonas Valencia. Asan ka, Sir Jonas? Sir Jonas! Woohoo! Sir Jonas, asan ka? Umayon. Api nga ta nagtatayag, digiti umay agkanta. Oh. Para ang dami matatangkad dito ngayon, ha? Ay, eto. Bigyan mo siya ng mic. Always remember us this way.
Ay, wow.
Papanam, it make itoy. One. Hanggang nga mapandita likod, anaka. Jonas! Original key. Doon din. Okay, sige. Go, go.
Ayan, once again, Jonas! Magpalakpakan naman tayong lahat dyan. Come on.
That Arizona sky.
Burning in your eyes, hey,
Look at me.
babe, I wanna go to Dubai.
Palakpak. Burning in my soul. Like God.
California gold. You brought the light to me and I couldn't afford. But I can find the words.
Oh, taas na boses.
Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts.
Oh.
When the sun goes down and the band won't play, we'll always remember us this way. Balakbak naman! Always right to run. We don't know how to run. We don't make rhyme. Wouldn't know you were when I go. Born to be it's you. We'll never
And
to hold a place I'll always remember this way.
Oh,
Isa pa daw.
alam mo ba, baby pa lang ito, hindi pa tumubo ang ngipin, oh. Sisgan. Sisgan.
It's
She's
gone.
gone.
Kasi
She's
nawala na.
gone.
Wala na.
Bata ba ako 3 years old?
Nakainom ka ba? Parang ang likot-likot tong batang to eh. Hindi pa makali. Halika nga. Halika nga dito. Ilang taon na si Jonas?
18.
18. Kala namin
Cheers!
it's real.
Hoy!
Oops,
18.
huwag ka masyadong ano.
Eto talaga, ang likot. Dito ka lang.
Anong pangalan mo?
I'm Jonas.
Yes.
Jonas.
From
Oh.
where?
From where are you, Jonas?
I'm here in Barangay Solcano.
So now? Oy, huwag kang atras ng atras dyan. Baka...
Dito ka. Halika.
Diyan ka lang, huwag ka kasing malikot.
Yan, dyan ka lang.
Hawakan mo nga, Glessy. Hawakan mo dyan sa kabila. Para hindi na, ano.
Ay.
Hanapay.
Paano ate ganito?
Hanapay. Ang
Oh,
kakutkuti.
dyan ka lang, dyan ka lang. She's gone.
She's gone. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, come on.
Ano ba to?
Yes.
Nurse?
Parang may sariling mundo si kuya.
Paki-inject naman to kasi parang hindi pinag-inject.
Wala pang intro.
Oo, magpasalamat tayo kay Jonas. Nung kumanta si Jonas, tuwang-tuwa sila. Oo, di ba? Palakpakan naman natin si Jonas.
Yeah.
Ang taas ng boses, ha? Pero, ready ka na sa shishgan. Kakantay mo yung shishgan.
Ready?
Oo, shishgan daw.
Ready na daw.
Talaga, ah?
Sige.
Shishgan. Baka magan ka, ah. Okay. Shishgan daw.
Malay natin.
Ay, magaling palang sumayaw si kuya, hindi
Oo.
lang kumanta. Ayan, once again, Mr. Jonas!
Ang kagbabain. O, sige, magpasango ka. Ay, may makita mo.
Makita.
Palakpakan naman natin once again!
Jonas!
Yes!
Yeah, come on.
Agsala ka pala. Oh.
Dance! Sana!
Ang ipinagmamalaki ng Solsona! Ay,
Gusto ko si Tintin dito. Bakit si Tintin?
Ano ba yan? Oh.
gone for all my life. Oh, she's gone. I'm to find so hard to go on. I really miss that girl.
Come back.
Into my arms, I'm so alone. I'll begin down my knees.
Here we go.
Give me what you send me.
All right, once again, Jonas! Jonas!
Baby, come on.
Okay. Sige. Thank you. Thank you, Jonas. Alright. Ayan, syempre maraming salamat po sa Marcos family and happy birthday once again to Ma'am Judith. And this time I'd like to give you our final song before we say goodnight to everyone. Kaya, sayawan na! Come on! Woo!
Yes.
Ay, sumayaw na kayo! Come on!
That's a song from the Hot GBs. Ang sahig ay nagliliyab pag ikaw ay sumasayaw. Sa tuwing iikot ka, ang ulo ko'y umiikot din. Huwag mo naman akong tanghawin, huwag mo naman akong uhahin. Pinasasabik mo ko, pinagigigil. Pinasasabik mo ko, pinagigigil. Pinasasabik mo ko, pinasasabik mo ko. Let's, buhay na kakasilaw. Let's, buhay na kakatunaw. Let's, buhay na kakasilaw. Kami ay lalaki, kami ay mga Ginoo. Huwag kang matakot, kami ay ganito, ganito, ganito. Mastan mong manamit, kaming mga lalaki. Meron kang makikita sa kita ng aming dibdib, dibdib, dibdib. Ganyan kami lahat, matatapang ng mukha. Kung kami ay kakausapin, di kayo mapapaya. Kung kami ay kakamitin, kailangan magpagsalita. Nanggigigil kami sa iyong kagandahan. Nanggigigil kami, di namin maiwasan. Nanggigigil kami sa'yo, sa'yo, sa'yo. Nanggigigil kami sa iyong kagandahan. Nanggigigil kami, di namin maiwasan. Nanggigigil kami sa'yo, sa'yo, sa'yo. Huwag na huwag kang mahihiya sa amin. Huwag na huwag kang mahihiya sa amin. Kung sa mo tama ka kaibigan, sige natin at huwag mong pipigilan. Kahit na ano ang mga suot mo, di bale ganyan, basta't ikaw ay pera. Basta't okay ka, sige lang ng sige. Ang lahat sila'y walang pakialam. Huwag na huwag kang mahihiya sa amin. Huwag na huwag kang mahihiya sa amin. Kung sa tingin mo'y tama ka kaibigan, sige lang kita at huwag mong pipigilan. Huwag mahihiya, basta't kabutihan. Makisama lang sa mga kaibigan. Hanggang kaya mo, lagyan mo ng lagyan. At iwasan lang ay ang pagmumulan. Ilagay mo, kamayan mo ko, kamayan mo silang lahat. Ilagay mo, kamayan mo ko, kaibigan tayong lahat. Ilagay mo, kamayan mo ko, kamayan mo silang lahat. Ilagay mo, kamayan mo ko, kaibigan tayong lahat. Ilagay mo, kamayan mo ko, kamayan mo silang lahat. Ilagay mo, kamayan mo ko, kaibigan tayong lahat. Ilagay mo, kamayan mo ko, kamayan mo silang lahat. Ilagay mo, kamayan mo ko,